Assalamualaikum. The reason for making today's video is that many of us thought the place kept by Makunga had a fight with the Gijima lions, but I believe that's not true. If we start presenting the logic, the first point is we know that the Nzenga coalition had moved to north. During that time, the Gijima lions entered Nzenga territory. At that time, west of Londonder's reserve, the place kept by Makunga was roaring. Meanwhile, some distance away, two Gijima lions were with a Kambula lioness. The next morning, when the rangers went near of the Gijimas, they saw one Gijima lion mating with the lioness, while the other Gijima was lying nearby injured. That same day, the plains camp by Makunga was also seen with an injury mark on his leg. Remembering the previous night, everyone assumed that the Gijimalas had injured Makunga in a fight. As an argument, people started saying one Gijima male fought from the front and the other attacked from behind, injuring Makunga's leg. I also initially believed this, but this is completely wrong because Makunga is an adult and dangerous lion. He could never win alone against the Gijima brothers, but if he really had fought with them, the both Gijimas would have had wounds on their faces and bodies. In the morning, only one Gijima had slight marks on his face and the other had none. This clearly proves that the Gijimas did not fight with Makunga. But then the question arises, who is guilty of injuring the Blondyman Gijima? The answer is that the Darkman Gijima and Blondyman Gijima clashed with each other for the lioness. We have seen this before too. The Gijimas have fought over a lioness before and the blondie one got injured. That's why I said the Makunga versus Gijimas fight never happened. Then another question arises, who injured Makunga? If it wasn't the Gijima lions, then who? A single lion could not have managed to injure Makunga, so we need to go back to that night. The night when Gijimas caused the Nkuhuma and Talimati to move west, and in the west Makunga was present, so it could be the Makunga fought with the Nkuhuma and Talimati lions and got injured against two lions is not impossible. Now our discussion and reasoning ends here. Now we can understand that the Makunga versus Gijima's fight never happened. The Gijima lion was injured because his elder brother, while Makunga was injured either by some unknown males or by the Nkuhuma and Talimati lions.